Hey y'all, it's Diane with Shawcraft One and my old barn door, and my sweet friend Nan sent me a box, and I started the video and the lid flopped over and it showed her address, so I had to start it over again. So we're gonna try again. Look y'all, she sent me this beautiful card. Nan, this card is gorgeous. Look at her stitching. I mean, your stitching is pristine, Nan. I never can stitch that well. I am not a seamstress though, so I don't do well with it. But isn't that such a pretty card? I love it so much. And look, she gave me a note, so hang on, let me read it. Oh, Nan, you're so sweet. Thank you so much. Yes, it's always okay for you to send things to me. I love it. Oh, thank you so much. You are just too precious. And y'all, look, I love how she wrote the note on the children's writing paper. It's so stinking cute. I love that. So that'll go in my friend's journal. Can't wait to add that in. If I ever get back to my friend's journal, haven't got to work on it in a long time. Oh, look, see, look at her stitching. She just does such wonderful stitching. I love that. Oh, this is box 1 of 2. Okay, so I have another box. I love the Serenity Prayer. Look at how pretty this fabric is. Isn't that gorgeous? Can't y'all see that in a farm journal? So pretty. I love that. Oh, look. She sent candy. Oh, my goodness. I have to hide these from my son because he loves Airheads. And, of course, Lyric. She will enjoy these, too. I'll share them with her. I'll share them with my son, too. Thank you so much. Oh, look, we got Jolly Ranchers. Ooh, these are the gummy ones. Oh, yum. These are going to be my craft room stash because I can munch on these while I'm crafting. Thank you so much, Nan. Look at the fabrics. How pretty. I love those colors. Won't that be pretty in floral journals? Look at these different colors. Aren't these awesome? Oh my goodness. So many, Nan. Thank you. Look at all the different colors. I mean, how colorful will that be in a journal? Look at how pretty. Nan, thank you so much. That is so sweet of you. Aw, thank you. So precious. That is just absolutely precious. Oh, sorry, I bumped the camera. Okay, I think what I'm going to try to do is pause the camera. I'm going to try to pull everything out of the box and then turn the camera back on. That way, hopefully, it's not bumping the camera so bad. Hang on a second. Okay, that was a little more successful than I was afraid it was going to be. Look at this yummy bag of fabrics. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to break in. No, you didn't. No, you didn't. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited. Oh my goodness. Uh-oh, I just dropped my Oohoo glue stick. Look, she sent me the magic blue ones. Ooh, the magic blue ones. Oh, you can see these. Oh, thank you, Nan. Oh, my goodness, y'all. I have been saying forever. Okay, she's put me a note on here. I know what this is going to say. I bought this for you months ago, and because life got out of control, it's been sitting in a box waiting. I hope you like it and can use it. If you have one already, it's yours to do. No, Nan. I have been saying forever. Y'all, I'm going to show y'all my janky little burnt hair dryer that I've been using in the craft room. And literally, like, I've had this hair dryer forever. It's starting to melt around the top, and when I use it, it throws sparks, so I have to be really careful using it. But this is what I've been using as a heat gun, Nan. Thank you so much. This is perfect. This has been on my wish list for forever. Thank you so much. I am so excited about this. Look at these cool tickets. How cute are these? They're sticky. Oh, I love these. Yeah, squirrel. I'm distracted because I saw tickets. I'm going to use these in a craft project. Y'all, I'm so excited over that stinking heat tool gun. Thank you, Nan. That's awesome. Oh, look at how pretty this is. Oh, how daintily embroidered is that? Oh, I love that so much. It's like little houses. Look at how stinking cute that is. I might hang this in my bathroom. My son just moved out, and so now I have room to hang pretty things. Thank you, Nan. That's gorgeous. I love it. Oh, my goodness, y'all. Look at how stinking cute this is. Look at this. Oh, my goodness. It's cowboys. Oh, look, he's roping like a little rodeo. Oh, how cute is that? Oh, my goodness. That's adorable, Nan. Thank you so much. This is awesome. Look at that. Oh, if I turn it right side up. Look how stinking cute that is. Oh, that's perfect. I love that. That's going to be so... These would make cute tabs in a journal. Oh, my goodness. Oh, you've just made my day, Nan. Thank you. Oh, I'm in love with the heat tool gun. Look how pretty this is. How gorgeous is this? Oh my goodness, can't y'all see this wrapped around one of my big journals? That would be so pretty, wrapped around the spine of one. Thank you, Nan. That's gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm running out of room to sit things. I'm going to pause it and move some stuff. Hang on. Okay, hopefully I've got a little more room. Oh, look. Oh, how pretty. These are ones she cut off. Isn't that gorgeous? So pretty, Nan. Thank you so much. Oh, you're going to make me cry. I know, y'all. I'm just a train wreck. Oh, look. She sent me some gorgeous trims. Look at these laces. How pretty. Oh, my goodness. You have just blessed me abundantly. Oh, I love these so much. Oh, look at, I love the colors, the creams and the whites. And you know, you can use your Tim Holtz inks and you can color these any color you want to color them. Oh, Nan, thank you so much, because I was getting, y'all, Nan's my lace supplier. She has just, look how pretty that is. Oh my goodness, look how much. Nan, you were so generous. Thank you so much. But yeah, you can take your Tim Holtz inks. I might do a video on that and show you how I do it. And you can color them any color you want to color them. Oh my goodness, look at these. How pretty. Oh, I love that washi tape. That is gorgeous washi tape. Look at this. Isn't that so pretty? Oh my goodness, I just want, when I see all these different laces like this, I just want to do something delicate. Oh, how cool are these? Oh my goodness, these are awesome. These are like, I don't know what they are, but they're, you can tear them off, so they're kind of like little tickets or little, like, these are so cool, Nan. Thank you. Oh, I'm so excited to use those. And thank you for the guest checks. I was running out. And I was thinking, I need to order some, but I just haven't taken the time to. So now I don't have to. Thank you so much. I love it. Okay, let's look through our fabric real quick and see what she sent us. Oh my goodness, Nan, you've just spoilt me rotten today. Thank you so much. Look how pretty. Oh my goodness, isn't that gorgeous? That would be beautiful on like a wedding journal or a vintage journal. Oh my goodness, look how stinking cute at the flamingos. How adorable are those? Oh my goodness. Those are so stinking cute. Oh, I love the colors of it too. It's kind of like a neutral. Very pretty. Oh my goodness, it's Christmas. Oh, it's vintage Christmas fabric. I love it. Hang on, let me get it unfolded. Excuse me. Oh my goodness. How pretty is that? Oh, I love this so much. And I love the greens and the reds together. So very pretty. Yay. Oh, Look at these two. Those will go pretty together. Actually, you could mix all of, ooh, beautiful for a fall journal. Won't that be gorgeous for a fall journal? Nan, thank you. Look at the pink flamingos. Oh my goodness, how stinking cute are they? Oh, look, this will go good with the fall colors too. Oh, I might have to make some a fall journal. Look how pretty. Squirrel. Sorry, y'all. I just get so excited. I can't help it. Look at how pretty that is. This is the coolest feeling fabric. Oh, wow. I love that bright color. That would be pretty as page tabs. I'm always thinking about how I can use them in journals. Look how pretty that is. Oh, I love that with the small florals. And I love this color. So very pretty. And then look, oh, how neat is that? It's reversible. Very pretty. Oh, I can't decide which side I like the best. So pretty. Nan, thank you so much. Oh my goodness, you have just spoiled me rotten. These are wonderful. Okay, so I need to pull the other box. So hang on for me, and I'm going to grab the other box and get it open. 1 second, okay? Okay, so she had a note on here that says, open this in. Look, y'all, she's decorated my whole 2 boxes that she sent me. She decorated them with the cutest little stickers and stamps. All right, I'm going to turn this sideways and see if we can just let everything slide out. Let's see. Oh, my goodness. Oh, wow. Okay, let's see. Okay, I once belonged to a monthly subscription, and they always sent me more than I could use or need. So if you can, use it, great. If not, it is yours to do whatever you want with it. How cool is this? I didn't know you could do a monthly subscription to We Are Memory Keepers. I had no idea. But that is a neat idea, isn't it? Oh, look at the cool stamps, y'all. How pretty, Nan. Oh, my goodness. Oh, look at the flowers. Oh, these are awesome. Oh, wow. I might use some of these as like giveaways in my sales or something. Oh, these are wonderful. Oh, I love that with the flowers. May your choices reflect your hopes, not your fears. Nelson Mandela. Oh, I like that. These are awesome. Oh, wow. You use these with the envelope punch board. Oh, how cool is that? How neat. They're little labels to go on boxes and things. Oh, that's awesome. Check out these little puffy alphabet letters. These are super cute. Look at these. Oh, look at all the letters. Oh, my goodness. Oh, I'm going to have so much fun with these. Oh, my goodness. These are awesome. Nan, thank you so much. How very generous and thoughtful and kind. Oh my goodness. I am just overwhelmed. Oh, I promised I wasn't going to cry on this video, y'all. Oh, no you didn't. Oh my goodness. As for me and my house, we will serve the Lord. Oh, I love these. Y'all, I have not seen these in forever. Look, I got goodies. Yummy candies. I have not seen these in forever, and I used to love these, and I haven't had them in forever. Oh my goodness, at the gummies. Orange cream. Ooh, that reminds me of those popsicles. And then the water. Oh, I am going to be so fat, Nan. Fatter. Thank you so much. Yum. I'm excited about those. Okay, let's see. Oh, look at how stinking cute. She made a little notebook holder. How adorable is this? I made a few of these several years ago for a church event and have had a few hanging around. I thought maybe you could use it to keep notes or what. Yes, because I am constantly looking for a notebook. How adorable is that? Oh my goodness, Nan, you did such a good job on that. That is so stinking cute. Thank you for sharing that with me. Oh, I love that so much. Okay, I gotta have room on the desk for things. Okay. Oh, more letters. Oh, these are so cool. How fun are these? Felicity Jane. Okay, let's see. I ordered these a while back and they sent me 2 packages. I will never get through 1 pack in my lifetime. Feel free to do with them what you wish. Look at the cute little stickers she put on there. So let's see. You gotta figure out what these are. Oh my goodness. Are these sticker sheets? Oh, I'm about to get real excited. Look how stinking cute these are. These are labels. Are these labels? They are whole sticker sheets. Oh, I'm going to have fun with these. Nan. Oh my goodness. Oh, I'm so excited. Thank you so much. I can't wait. Y'all, since I got into my new craft room, I can use my Cricut because I have room to use it. I haven't used my Cricut in like 4 years, so I hope it still works. But these are going to be perfect for that. I'm going to try and make some stickers on my Cricut eventually, as time permits. Oh, here's some of that cool paper she used to write on. Oh, I love this paper. I'm trying to see how to... Okay, here we go. Here's how we go. Look at how cute. Oh, I love this paper. Okay, look at how cute she does her little notes. Had to clean up my craft room as I will never use it all. Hope you can use some of these things. Aw, I love these things. These feel so good. They feel so different from the ones that I have. And I love the ones that have the colored lines. And you can't hardly find those anywhere. Or I can't anyways. So thank you so much, Nan. I love it. And look at the cool scrapbook papers. Oh, ooh, Christmas ones. Oh, how fun. Ooh, and she knows. Ooh, look at how cute these are. Okay, hang on. These are adorable. Look at how stinking cute those are with the vellum. Oh my goodness. How sweet are those? And y'all, I have news. I'm going to be a Lala again. My daughter is going to have another baby. So we're excited. We don't know if it's a boy or a girl yet, but she has her fingers so crossed to have a little boy. She's wanted a little boy since she had her first baby. So we're hoping for a little boy, but we'll see. I'm going to love a little girl just as much as I will a little boy, but that's okay. I hope she gets what she wants. So now I can make some baby journals. Yay. Thank you, Nan. Thank you, thank you. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Okay, not sure if you can use this or not. Feel free to do what you want with it. Okay, let's see. I thank you for the Oohoo glue too. This is awesome because I'm almost out. My sweet friend Sarah had sent me some acetate. Oh, how pretty is this? Oh, this is gorgeous fabric. Look at how pretty. That's a lot of fabric, y'all. So pretty. Chrome spun taffeta. Ooh, very nice. And that's just a sample, but that's a lot of a sample, y'all. Nan, thank you so much. It is so kind of y'all to think of me and to share with me. And Nan just always shares the sweetest things. And she's just always so thoughtful. And I love all of her little notes that she sends. So thank you, Nan, so very much for thinking of me to share with me and for loving on me. I appreciate you so much. And I hope you have a great day. Thank y'all so much for watching and sharing the goodies with me. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have a great day. Big hugs.